Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, talking about our open pore wood veneer center console overlays. We wanted to make a little video showing a little bit about production, inspection, and the constant improvements we're making. We also want everyone to understand about the flatness or the lack of flatness. So let's talk about the cup holder part. This is stamped out of aluminum, and of course the wood veneer is adhered to it, and it's all soft and velvety on the bottom with double-sided tape around the perimeter, so it holds down nicely. So far we've sold and shipped over 150 of these, and some customers are a little bit confused about the shape. This of course is a trapezoid piece. This is the top piece on the center console, and you might notice curvature. Now the curvature is just from the roll of steel. This doesn't mean anything. As soon as you push it down to install it, the double-sided tape is going to hold. So you might notice you can flex it back and forth. It doesn't matter. It's just super thin aluminum. The wood's not going to matter if you push it down. And when you install it, you might curl a little bit. There is a slight radius to the very bottom edge of the trapezoid piece. So again, please don't worry. Pull the red liner off, clean it, stick it down, line up the edges like in my installation video. Make sure you're not hanging off one side, hanging off the other. Put it down, line it up slowly, push it, and install it. Okay, you'll love it. Thank you. The last piece is the flip drawer. These are normally curved exactly to the radius because this is the one that is actually a little bit wider than the center console flip drawer. So you'll notice when you put it down to test it, it should fit perfectly on the radius. And when you line up this edge and this edge, it does hang over a tiny bit, but it looks better. It actually fits better because the flip drawer currently in your car is narrower than this. So you'll notice why we improved it. So we made it almost exactly the same width as the cup holder and also the trapezoid. So anyway, that's all we wanted to say. Enjoy, and here's a little quick video to show you how we're making them, how we're assembling them, and how we're checking the colors to make sure that you're going to get the best color match. That's what we're producing them. Thank you. Hey, we made a quick troubleshooting guide because some people are always wondering about the fitment, if it's going to fit from side to side. So we want you to understand that these are the recommended locations for the painter's tape. So during the 36 or the 72-hour bonding period, these curved areas need contact. So we have put painter's tape here and here because you want this curved area to bond to the underside double-sided tape. So we recommend you put some on there, put some here, put two pieces underneath. Again, radiuses. When you push this on, and if you sit it on, if you don't stick it down good and add pressure, it might not bond and hold. Same thing over the trap door.